Okay, Kennedy is going to do what is this called?
A Suddsy.
Suddsy Explosion.
Okay.
Just go ahead and pour it all in. Pour it in.
Oh no.
Here it
no.
comes.
No, it's angry.
Oh, awesome. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
Good job. It'll keep
you
coming
should
out.
see it from this side.
It'll keep coming out. That's
Looks like
cool. So we
looks
used
like a strawberry milkshake.
we used citric acid, baking soda, and these were just 1 teaspoon each of those. A couple of little squeezes of dish soap. This is the brand
2
that we
squeezes.
use, but I'm sure you can use whatever brand.
And then I did one
And
drop of red
she
food
used
coloring,
red
and
food
then
coloring.
we did 30 ounces of
30
warm
milliliters.
milliliters of warm water.
Milliliters.
Millimeters.
Liters, milliliters, mLs, 30 mLs, and this is what it came up with. It was perfect.
And it looks like a strawberry milkshake.
It didn't make as big of a mess, but probably the more water you use, the
I want
more
to
of
use
a
more
mess.
water next time. So
Huh?
it explodes.
Oh, well, I think it was good. It's called oozing, not exploding.
I want it to
Okay.
explode.
All right.